I'm using large angle to show you the ride completely. The ride is moving a little bit in the top. That's quite normal. In the top there is the motor and the brake. You find the position itself in automatic, it take it up the platform and then it stop automatically. When you see this is finished. Arrivo! Okay, these two light is for the direction of the face. If this one should be on, okay. If it's red, then you have to rotate this to get the face in the right direction, okay. This one is pills. The pills is this one, the yellow one over there. When it's on, means that the safety on the vehicle is close, is okay, is working. Questo è il interruttore generale, questo qua.
Sì.
This is the general breaker for all the electrical. This is, questa è?
La pompa per
This is a hydraulic pump to install. This is to rotate the face, as explained here. This and this and this go to the cash box, ok? Questo invece che cos'è?
Queste sono le leve dei bracci.
Ne abbiamo solo questo o ci sono altre leve qua?
Sì.
Queste sono dei due bracci qua.
E sotto ci sono quelle di
This is the two level for the to take it down the two columns. This one and this one, okay? Now we show you how to turn on the control panel and how to operate the light, the illumination. Okay, turn on by moving this, right? This is turn on, okay? Cosa fai adesso? Niente?
Start. No, vado solo.
It's going everything alone. It starts automatically the software, is a Windows software. Here we have 3 different languages, English, Czech Republic and France. So we live in English. Now is in English.
Così il manuale.
For the now we don't test the light, only for the lights. Catch the lights. And here there is the different option of the light. Aspetta, prima spiegami.
Il numero 3 sono i caposonno.
This is the number 3. When you push, you turn on the light on the cars. The light on the cars.
Ok.
This is the number 3. Ok.
Poi questi due sono dei fari
The
dietro,
number
dietro i
5 and
cartelli,
6
che vanno con questa. Col DMI.
sono i fari che stanno dietro.
Ai brosoni.
Is the light. Togli la scala. Togli la scala. So the number 5 and 6 is the light behind the decoration panel. That's one.
Aspetta, Il 4,
Il 4.
4 e 5.
Poi
Adesso mi ricordo, aspetta.
invece l'1 o 2.
L'uno sono quei fari là sopra.
The number 1 here is the light over there.
E anche quelli.
And also that's one.
E invece il 2
The number 2
è tutto il traliccio.
is the light in the front.
Che poi,
But-
che poi i fari li comandi con.
A moment. In any case, all this is light, okay? It's light on the right. Questi sono
dei
telecomandi.
fari.
So you can also operate the illumination by this remote control. Questo cosa serve?
Questi due sono dei fari traliccio e quelli là in basso. Questo,
Aspetta, questi due sono uguali.
sì,
These 1, 2 are the same. Is related for the speed and the control
sono
of
quelli.
which.
Uno,
No, questi qua sono per
di
controllare
quelli, di
cosa.
quelli a 3. Quei fari qui. Che cambia colore.
Is to control this light, this spotlight black.
Ok.
You change color and
Invece
speed.
questi sono
And
quelli
these
là
two
grossi
one?
sopra.
Quelli in cima.
Sì, in cima in
Is
cima.
to change the color and the speed of this light in the top.
E uno di questi è quelli lì che ho smontato.
Okay, that's. But approximately this is how it works, okay?
Ok.
So this is the explanation for the light. E quando tu schiacci switch 1 switch 2 che cosa fa?
Non l'ho mai usato io.
We don't use these two line. We don't
Ma di
use
tirare
it.
via quei panelli là perché devo andare giù la pedana che proprio.
Now we will show you how to operate the ride in automatic. Okay. As you remember, in the beginning you have the option auto, manual, and light. We already show you how works the light. And when you finish for the light, you press this one and you back to the main page. Okay, now you press auto because you prefer to work in auto. Everything is in English. Okay, I will take a picture for this. So the first
Emergenza. No.
the first you have to make sure that the stop is up.
Se no
Okay,
non va la giostra.
otherwise the ride it doesn't work. Then
Collegata col Pills. Se tu tieni schiacciato questo, anche se schiacci il Pills non va non dai
Ok.
consensi. A volte può essere solo che per sbaglio uno mette
certo.
Niente, poi per far girare, una volta chiusi tutti i maniglioni,
First, you make the operator close all the safety bar of the passenger.
si schiaccia,
Then you push this one that is make the noise.
dai il Pills, ok?
Ma se non schiacci il corno non va?
No.
You have really to push this one to get the PLC light on. This one. Okay.
Ok.
Then,
Così è Children, normale, Fast.
so you have three different programs: children, normal, and fast. Fast, very fast for adults. Normal is medium, and children when you have small kids on the rides.
Questi sono il tempo, 4 minuti.
This is the duration of the time: 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and 2 minutes.
Ok. La giostra è pronta
Questo
per-
che cos'è?
Questo si può intervenire sulle rotazioni anche in automatico. Sono le 3 velocità del ragno, destra e sinistra.
This is to adjust the speed of the center, of the rotating of the center, right side and left side, but it's never touching, so it's not an option that you need to use. Questo?
Questo qua adesso siamo a 2 minuti e 30, però se
È il
durante
tempo-
il giro vuoi aumentare di 30 secondi schiacci quello.
Okay, this during the rotation of the ride, this one is show you how much time left to stop the turn. If you push this button plus 30 seconds, then automatically you add a 30 seconds to the run. So instead of 2.5 minutes, will be 3 minutes. Depend how much time you push. This one, cos'è? Operating system.
Questi sono i consensi. Questi qua sono i
Devono
maniglioni.
devono essere tutti verdi?
Sì.
E questo, l'ultimo?
L'ultimo?
E
questa è la rotazione.
si accende quando va.
Sì.
This light shows you the status of the PLC of the ride. It should be all green. The last one in the bottom will be green when we start to move the ride. Ok, questo?
Questi sono i gradi del...
This one is show you the inclination of the arm while speeding. Brakes, cosa serve questo?
Questo è il,
È
il freno.
E ti dice quando si accende vuol dire che il freno è
Sì.
attivo. Ce n'è uno meccanico e uno elettrico? Solo uno. Se accendono entrambi?
C'è solo un freno.
Se accendono
Non mi
entrambi?
ricordo, adesso vediamo.
This is show you the
Oh my
status of the brakes. And this one is show you the status of the floor, when the floor is up and down. E questo?
Questo se c'è la corrente bassa o se c'è la corrente troppo alta si può regolare su o giù, però non so dirti.
This
cosa
one
significa il
reduction, when you have too much voltage or too low voltage, you can adjust, but you never use it, so he doesn't know exactly how it works. E su fai back, torni indietro?
Sì.
Ok, alla pagina iniziale.
Sì.
Ok, now we start.
Facciamo partire in...
Just a moment. Now we make sure that all the safety bar is closed. C'è una luce che fa vedere che le barre sono chiuse, no?
Sì, questa.
When all the bar is closed, the PLC,
No, il primo.
the seat is green. Okay? When all the bar are closed. Ok, vai.
Andiamo a normale.
Ok, we select normal. Here. Ok.
Questo l'abbiamo già schiacciato.
Sì.
E poi schiacciamo questo.
And then you press.
Stefania! Dove sono? Ok.
Now you press. You have pressed
E poi
this
io
one.
consiglio sempre, lui parte in veloce, però io lo metto sempre medio.
You suggest to push middle when it
Perché
starts.
stanno male.
So the acceleration to the maximum speed is low, is medium, is not too hard. Because the people are not enjoy when it's too high. So now the ride is moving automatically. You have to do nothing. He touched nothing because we'll stop automatically. You see, this one is show you the rotation. He left 40 seconds out on 2.3. The floor is down, as you see. Rani!
Dimmi?
La pedana l'hai tirata giù te o scesa in
No,
automatico?
va in automatico.
Ok.
Dopo vi faccio vedere anche come fa in manuale, come funziona la fase
The platform was down automatically. So to turning, only you push this one. That's finished, as you see in the video. So the platform was down automatically, and it start automatically the run. As we set at 2.5 minutes, it will stop automatically after 2.5 minutes. This is the bottom, the option to use the riding manual. He never used the riding manual because it's not it's not useful. Okay, we will try to show you, but more or less he use always in automatic. This when it's on means there is a problem on the right. At 24 volts, it should be on all time. It shows you that you have 24 volts on the controls. Okay. If you now it's braking, you see, it turn on automatically, it shows you that the ride is braking, okay?
Senti che dolce.
E si alza la pedana da sola.
Si ferma al punto giusto per aprire i maniglioni.
The floor is coming up automatically. We didn't touch. And it stop automatically. If you have to stop the ride in most short time as possible to make evacuation, you press emergency and the brake, the power to the motor is out and the brake will close and you stop the ride as quick as possible. Ok? E questo qua rosso invece?
Quello lì è per quando va in manuale.
This one, you never use it when it's automatic. It's using when you drive the ride in a manual that you need to stop, because in automatic it stop automatically.
On. Porta stai? Perché sennò ce l'ho.
Now we show you how to operate in manual. Okay, so we back to the main screen. Okay, vai pure. And you push manual. When you push manual, we have the indicator of the inclination, the floor, the brakes, the operator, but it's missing all the other. Okay? Okay, let's go. Dimmi.
Pills, una volta chiusi i maniglioni.
Once all the electrical safety bar is closed, you push this one and the pills will be on.
Pedana.
Then you have to push down to take down the floor. Okay.
Oppure la pedana la puoi tirare su anche.
Or you can also move the platform by using this one. You see?
E la puoi fermare in qualsiasi posizione con
You
questo.
can stop in any
Invece questo
position.
deve andare a fine corsa.
With
per
this
forza.
one, no. But with this one, you take it down, up and down manually. Then
Velocità bassa del ragno.
we push
Rotazione.
low speed, which and move it this one to start the rotation of the center.
Questo è così, ma nell'altro senso.
You turn in one direction, it's going one direction, or you turn to the other direction, and it changes.
Però digli di fare.
And it changes
Invertire di
direction.
fermare,
When you change, please, not doing like me, wait that the center is stopped completely. Okay, then
Questo si aumenta la velocità del ragno.
here increase the speed of the center.
Io consiglio di non mettere mai al massimo perché sennò vomitano.
Never use the high because otherwise too fast for the passenger will be vomit.
E questa
And then they use this one to move in one direction
però meglio di no.
e dopo devi muovere da una parte e da quell'altra.
Però se non vuoi dare i scossoni è meglio sempre che spingi solo da una parte
If you do in
con la
manual,
freccia.
if you do in manual and you start to push in the left, you pushing only in one direction when it's moving in this direction. So left. If you're using this one in manual, like left, and it's moving like that, okay, in front, you're always pushing only when it's coming in front. Don't use left and right because it doesn't work properly with acceleration on the pinion and everything, okay? Now they are working to take it down the platform, and so tomorrow morning we can start the disassembling of the ride. So see exactly how is installed the front platform. Di ciao a José.
Ciao.
This is the front platform, the lights, you see? Connection for the lights is going under the trailer. The platform. He's already disassembled all the fences here. All the special plug. Inside, okay, this is the main plug to the power of the ride, and that one is the control for the lights, the small transformer to control the lights. This is the hydraulic system. See? Okay, this is the air connection. When the center stops to open the bars of the passenger, you have to go to this one, is a number 2, okay? Only one has this connection here, okay? You press and this automatically open by air. Of course, before opening, you have to open this one, okay? Or this one. And then you put the air, automatically will open everything. To open manually without the air, use this level, okay? So when you're closing, when you're loading the passenger, first you take out the air, and then you close all the bar of the ride, okay? It's quite simple. This is the electrical panel. As we said before, these two lights is for the direction of the phase. The green should be on, okay? This is on when the safety bar of the passenger is closed. This is the electrical main switch for the electrical panel. This is emergency button, the same that we have on the operator box. This is on-off hydraulic cylinder. This is to change the rotation of the phase related to this one. This, and this go to the operator box. And this is the two hydraulics for the main arm, the two main column of the right. So before the first phase is connecting, the first step is connecting the power over there in the big plug, and check that the direction of the phase is correct. If this is on, then you can use hydraulic and everything. Get the help of one electrician in the beginning to help you. This is the electrical. This one is the inverter for the big arm to swing. This is the inverter for the rotation, okay? As you see, this one 50-60 Hertz, and this one 50-60 Hertz, so it's no problem to rotate in Ecuador, okay? This is the pills that check that all the bar is closed. Vai. Fai scendere uno solo piano piano. Tiralo adesso. Tiralo, fallo vedere che è bloccato. Ok. Ah, ecco, prova ad aprire. Ok. Poi sì. Bene. Aspetta, lasciali così.
Allora, mettere i compressori come dici tu.
Aspetta che sta registrando.
Sono tutti a posto, vedi?
Now we have to disconnect, senza avviarlo. Now we have to disconnect all the screw in all the 4 seats of the right. Vai. Fermo lì un attimo. Okay, now with the winch over there connected to the power, it's going up over there, it's going down here. Once you almost screw all the bolts, you fix, okay, one, this plate, you fix this plate carefully. You fix this one, and then you finish to unbolt the remaining screws. Now the vehicle is free, the car is free, held by the steel rope and the winch.
Tieni, metti una mano lì.
E adesso cosa fai? Now with the remote control,
Vieni poi là.
it's taken down. The vehicle, the seats, you have some roll in plastic, in Teflon, okay? So you can take it down to the floor. Then, now you rotate in the center, and then you do the same procedure for the all other remaining 3 seats.
Spostati che devo metterla lì. Finisci, dai. Spingi di là. No, dai. Tira in su. Aspetta. Qui mettiti qua. Io spingo. Ok. Stai su. Pronti? Dai. Forza, tira, vai. Basta adesso, basta. No, troppo. Fermo lì, andiamo di là. Ok, adesso gira la giostra.
No, devi spingere sul sedile. Push,
Devi girare.
push over there.
Oh, sì.
Now it's pushing to the next vehicle.
Fermo, adesso andiamo con il là. Dai, tira in su adesso, tira in su, tira in su. Vai,
Now it's moving.
vai. Ok, gira ancora.
Then the number 4 is in position, and then you do the same operation. You take out the bolts, you fix the plate, and you lift, and you take it down. Now we have to disassemble this screw because when we rotate the leg, it will touch, okay? So you have to disassemble in all the 4 corners. Repeat. Now the next procedure is disconnect the bolts on the plate in the top. So we have left side, this one, you disconnect all the bolts. In the right side, this side, you disconnect all except 2. The 2 bolts, one in the right, one in the left, should be remain in the top. Okay? That is the procedure. So, the lever for the hydraulic is over there, as I told you before. So you're putting some pressure again on this cylinder and this cylinder, okay? And you have to push up to open in the top, okay? You see? You lift basically the right side. So you have to open more the one in the left as much as possible, as much you need, because this one will be rotating down, so it doesn't have to touch, okay? So by experience, you have to lift enough to let the right side going down. So this is the position of the left side that is not vertical, but almost vertical, okay? And now it's taking down this one because we have to disconnect all the cables, all the diagonals, and we have to unscrew the bolts here. So it's taking down to work much more easy. As you see, the cars is 2 on the front side and 2 on the left side. The lever for the hydraulic is here. I'm sure the bar is almost 120 bar.
Guarda se tocca la scritta di là. Devo andare ancora giù, guarda se mi tocca di là.
No, non tocca, scendi pure.
La scritta nitro.
Sì, non può toccare,
Si può.
ci sono metri. Vai, vai, vai. Baja, baja. Tenemos un metro. Sí. No te preocupes. You have to pay attention to don't touch with the sign to the platform. That's what is watching. And now we have all the bar here. Pay attention about the screw. The 3 screw in this side, they are longer compared to the other one because we have the plate here. So this one is shorter and this one is longer, okay? So what he's doing is take out the bolts, remove this one, all 4, okay? and they will load it in this position, all four. Fermo. Now what this is doing is taking down the bolts of all the plate. This side, then rotate, then another side, then rotate. There is a pin on the lower part, okay? Pay attention. Le togli tutte?
Adesso uno va lì a tenere braccio, con schiena. Con la schiena, con la schiena.
Con la schiena. No, girati,
schiena,
girati. Girati.
Con la schiena, col culo. Girati.
È così?
Vai, spingi.
Spingi verso
Dai, adesso giù piano.
Adesso giù piano. Pay attention, do not touch the ground. Vai, 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 molla, molla, molla. Cammina, cammina.
Ok.
Okay? It doesn't have to touch.
Dammi un bulo, dammi una
Stay connected with the pin. Okay? Very simple. Now you rotate a little bit, unscrew another one, and let's go for all four. Vai. This is a piece of steel. Have to be connected in the middle to keep the arm in the correct position. So one bolt in the top. Stai usando la stessa vite di prima?
Sì.
They are using the same screw as before, just to put this frame, okay? Okay, where there is this connection, okay, you have to put a chain, two chain. There is one on this side and one in the other side, okay? So two chain that we use later when we close the arm to the column. Okay, you have to rotate the center in such a way that there is one chain to the left and one chain to the right, okay? Because that's after this chain will be used to connect the center to the column, okay?
Dove? Lì, solo un buco centrale.
You see there is a...
A posto? Ok, adesso porta via la scala.
Scala.
Adesso bisogna tirarlo un po' il cavo, va forzato un po'.
This is the winch.
Non esagerare, ma abbastanza. Ok, adesso vai su e togli i bulloni, ok? Mettila lì la scala.
এক সাইডে দাঁড়াও, স্কালা লেগ সাইডে দাঁড়াও।
So he put a rope between the center and the column. He has tight a little bit, okay, in order to get the arm straight compared to the column. So now the guy is going on the top to unscrew the last two bolts, okay? So this operation we are doing this one only to remove the other two bolts in the top. Okay, so it's tight a little bit, so it's straight compared to the column, and then he take it out the two bolts in the top, the remaining two bolts. Now he's releasing without stop, he's releasing without touching in the top. Without touching in the top, he released the cable until it's free.
Devi toglierlo il cavo, non deve lasciare.
And now you have to take it out the rope, the cable, the steel rope, okay? So now over there is remain pin.
Ok, vieni.
Now you have to lift the platform, the small maintenance platform. You have to spin. You have to lift a little bit because otherwise it touch against the arm. Now it's lifting up the arm by using the hydraulic cylinder, that is the lever that is over there, lifting.
Piano, piano. Adesso vai sul piano, vai. 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 Up. Ancora poco. Poco. Up. Buona, fai, fermo, Up. Buona vuol dire fermo, vuol dire fermo. A posto? Fermo lì.
Stop. So the center is passed just in right and left to the cylinder. Okay. Now it's going up. You take the chain and it's connecting the chain. You connected the chain by across. Okay. Remove this platform from here and this small platform.
Ok, adesso aumenta di più, aumenta un po', così. Vai, ancora un po', forte. Massimo.
Now it's moving down this column to the bottom by using the hydraulic leverage over there. Slowly, don't push too much. No, you have to pay attention to don't touch with the sign nitro against the platform. Okay, so be careful when you're doing this. Continuing to going down, not touching. This one have to be open as much to allowing to going down without touch with the sign. It's continuing to going down.
Quando vai in appoggio. Vai, vai, vai.
It's not touching because the cylinder is behind. Questo telefono c'ha il grandangolo che è una cosa stupenda. Per il nostro lavoro è ottimale. Sono contentissimo del telefono nuovo. Viene un video migliore. L'ho comprato apposta per te. Poi ti mando la fattura.
Mio figlio lo vuole Natale. Vuole l'ultimo.
Now is removing the front panel decorated.
No, questa grande, tira via. Tira forte. Vai. Tira verso il forte. Metti dentro altro buco. Lo vedi?
He rotates straight and then he put the pin.
Tira in fondo,
Sì.
Ok. Ora adesso tiriamo via questi. Anche a me. Anche altri di là. Via questo adesso, dai. Vieni qua campione, non stare lì a guardare, dai una mano che te a lavorare, dai.
Pesante?
Metti mano qua, su. Dai. Dai,
Qui sotto?
Mettiti il brito sotto, dai. Dai, appoggiala lì dove c'è la navicella un attimo. Applaudi qua.
Turn.
Vai. Ok? No. On, gira sto coso, basta, ok?
Stop.
Adesso prendi in mano la leva. Vai, tira in fuori. Vai, piano piano. Non toccare l'altra, Solo quella. Vai, vai.
Now he's taking down this one. Remember, you need to have hydraulic cylinder on. Okay? Okay, it's going down by gravity, but it's better to get the pump. Okay? Anche su quello lì bisogna girare la pedana? Also in this platform you have to put straight as we did with the other one. Okay?
Ok, vieni su con me adesso.
He has removed one part of the platform. Okay? And now he takes straight the platform as we did in the other one.
Su, in alto. E quando si schianta su questa qui d'alluminio.
Okay, this is a special platform because otherwise it's touching. So when you are disassembling, you use the pin on the lower part, and when you're assembling, you use the same pin in the top of the part. Okay? Fammi vedere dove va l'altra spina.
Qua,
E invece nell'altra posizione.
qua, sopra.
So now is under.
Uno in alluminio e uno in ferro.
One
Quello in
is
ferro
alluminio.
quando la giostra è aperta, quello
Ah.
in alluminio quando viaggia.
The pin in aluminum when you are driving, and the one is steel when you assemble the ride. So now it's down and it was up. C'è un fermo quando arrivi in basso?
Basta che si appoggia, buona, a posto? No, ancora. Ok, basta.
Okay, now it's time to fix the seats and the platform. So what it's doing in the cash box on the operator panel, manually using the manual, has take down the platform to the minimum level. Okay, You remember in the other video I showed you how to do it. And then he has moved the vehicle near the center, okay,
Ce l'ho qua, ce l'ho qua in tasca. Serve ancora
to keep in the size, ok? It's fixing the cars. Ci sono le fissaggi sotto, no?
sotto, Enrico, adesso quando faccio vedere...
Ci sono sì o no?
No, sono sopra. Sotto ci sono dei spessori da mettere.
Il fixing over there, ok? You see now the platform is down. He has moved down the platform with the manual operation in the control panel.
Venite qua insieme.
Vai. He's taking out the pin. Remove.
Dentro buco. Anche capito. Ok, dai, tira via, card.
Poi taking out the bar. And now we lift up.
Lo appoggi giù piano, ok?
Down, down, down. Turn down. Like that. Down, down to the floor.
Sotto? No, 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 altra parte uguale.
In the other side, the same. Now we're ready to taking up the platform.
Avanti.
Ok, this bar have to be taken down. Devi smontarli, vero?
Sì.
This bar has to be disassembled.
Le due leve lunghe sono dei pistoni qua.
Una per un lato, una per l'altro?
Sì? No, sempre alto.
Una per un lato, una per l'altro?
Uno, due, tre, quattro i numeri.
1, 2, 3, 4. For each side. There is a number on the bar.
Square bar.
E gli altri 4 sono le binde, vero?
Pistoni.
Alza, we have to lift this one, otherwise the platform is touching when they are arriving over there. No, metti...
No, quelli a pressione dei bauli. Quelli a pressione sì, si può fare. Ok, fallo andare giù piano, appoggia piano.
Okay, let's explain about these hydraulics. This 4 is for the trailer, for the leveling of the trailer. And this 2 is for the platform that we see here. Okay? That is the point. Good morning. We continue the disassembling. Okay?
Mangia merda.
They put the decoration in the front. This properly loaded. These steps was up with a manual steel rope. This is the level to operate the hydraulics. As you remember, the 4 is for the trailer, and the 2 is for this one to open the side platform. Over there you have the connection for the main power. We have to load the cassa on the container, otherwise the trailer is too long and the shipping agent doesn't want to ship. Normally this frame is down and the cassa is over there. We have to leave it like that to ship, otherwise it's too long. Over there is the compressor. This compressor has to be replaced because it's 50 Hertz. You have to buy a 60 Hertz. It's monophase. 220 volt, 50 Hertz. Over there is the level for the jack, manual jack, just